Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G60S. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So let's open camera and start with the modes on the homepage of the camera. So we've got slow motion that we can zoom in and turn torch on. Also we've got photo mode, where we can zoom in up to 8 times and zoom out 0.5 times. Also we can enable macro mode. Then we can set timer between 3 seconds and 10 seconds. Enable active photos or set it auto and change aspect ratio between full, 9:16 and 3:4. Then we've got video mode, which is also adjustable between 0.5 zoom out and 8 times zoom in. In here we can turn on or off mic and change aspect ratio. Next we've got spot color video. Portrait mode. Cutout. Spot color. Night vision. Cinematograph. Panorama mode. Horizontal and vertical. Group selfie. (64 megapixels ultra resolution). Live filter. Pro mode, where we can manage our camera settings like ISO, white balance, brightness level, shutter, and we can change format. Last mode for photo modes is dual capture. Let's go to video mode, where we've got slow motion, time lapse, and dual capture. So similar to video, to photo mode. Now we can go to settings And in settings we can, let me just change brightness level. And in settings we can enable or disable auto smile capture, gesture selfie, smart composition, shot optimization, low light AI and Google Lens. Then we can enable watermark, change resolution for camera, enable or disable efficient videos and stabilization. Also we can turn on quick capture, tap anywhere to capture, shutter sound, assistive grid and leveler. In here we can change storage location, and the last thing is about. And that's all for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.